Zoho Books allows you to easily disconnect a bank account. This is essential when switching banks or closing accounts to prevent duplicate entries. To disconnect, navigate to Settings, greater than Banking, greater than Bank Accounts. Select the account you wish to remove and click Disconnect or Remove, depending on the level of integration. Confirm the action to revoke permissions and stop the automatic syncing of transactions. As of December 2025, Zoho Books integrates with over 5,000 financial institutions, making disconnection a common task. After disconnection, Zoho Books retains historical data for up to 7 years by default, in compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Cleaning up after disconnecting a bank account is critical for maintaining accurate financial records. First, reconcile all pending transactions in the disconnected account to ensure a zero balance. This step prevents any discrepancies in your profit and loss statements. Next, export all necessary transaction data in CSV or PDF format for your records before fully removing the account. Zoho Books provides export options that automatically handle data transfer. Here's an example of a CSV file showing transaction details and a bank statement format. Then, handle any associated elements, such as recurring transactions or auto-import rules, by reassigning or deleting them to avoid future errors. For example, if the account was used for payroll, reassign payroll processing to a new account. This ensures seamless operations without disruptions. Using Zoho's data export tool simplifies bulk archiving. This tool allows you to export large amounts of data efficiently, ensuring compliance with record-keeping requirements. Always use two-factor authentication during disconnection to enhance security. Zoho Books logs all changes for audit purposes, so thorough cleanup prevents future inaccuracies and maintains compliance.